Good morning, 310. Guess what? I am 310 strong. Ooh, y'all can't see me, but I got a waistline. Woo! Yeah, your girl is coming down. so, I was over in Southern California for my birthday and did a whole lot of birthday shenanigans and had a whole lot of fun. Um, and it was blue sky, sunshine, beautiful weather. I came back to Houston and it was cold, wet, and rainy, and got sick. So I felt pretty bad. And I'm not a big fan of, but I didn't care. I know vitamin C. Look, just give me some orange juice, and this is what they brought me. So I'm feeling a lot better. I'm not 100% yet, but I feel a whole lot better. And I still have this juice left. I'm not a big fan of it because I know this packs a lot of calories. So, but I'm not going to throw it away, So, have y'all ever laid in the bed, you know, thinking about 310 shakes? And y'all know I'm a 310 lifer. If I'm laying, wake up in the morning, I'm like, what kind of shake am I going to have today? Let's see. Yeah, I promise y'all I do have a life. But I thought this morning I got orange juice and I got some vanilla 310 shake mix. So I thought that would be a real good combination. So let me do this. So I am going to make, I don't know how it's going to come out, but makes sense to me. So I'm going to do my 8 ounces of not almond milk, not water, but orange juice. And I'm going to put in my scoop of vanilla. I wonder how a horchata tastes in here like this. But, ooh, or chocolate. Chocolate covered oranges. Ooh. If this come out good, I'm going to try the chocolate. Chocolate anything. I like my man chocolate too. I don't mind a little bit of vanilla swirl. Y'all didn't hear me say that. Okay. So anyway, I got my 8 ounces of orange juice. I have my scoop of vanilla, and always, 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 I have to have my ice cubes. And I don't know why, I always 7 ice cubes. 7 is God's perfect number, so maybe that's why. So anyway, got my ice cubes, my orange juice, and my vanilla, and I'm not putting anything else in there. So, putting it in my Ninja. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. Like I said, I'm still not 100% yet, but I'm a whole lot better than I was. So, it's been really, really cold here for the past couple days in Houston. I believe not last night, but the night before, it got down into the high teens in Houston, Texas, like 19 degrees or something like that. In Houston? It was freezing, okay? So, for y'all, those of you that don't know, I have a companion that walks with me, and Mr. Duck. I was so concerned about Mr. Duck. I haven't seen him for the past couple days. I mean, even this morning I was wondering, where is he? Where does he go? I so want to take him in as a pet, but he's not domesticated, and it wouldn't be fair to him. I live here by myself, and wouldn't put him in the bathtub. But I could take him out with me and walk, but it's too much. So I'm going out today. I'm gonna see if I see Mr. Duck, because I'm concerned about him. I'm gonna take him some food, and hopefully I'll see him. So, all right. So, got my cup. Bear with me. Let me rinse this off. I'm telling y'all, it has been so cold here in Houston. Now y'all know, those of you that know me, you know I walk every day, every day, every day, every day. It's been so cold here, I promise y'all. I didn't go out yesterday and I didn't go out the day before. However, I didn't go out to walk like I normally do. This is it. But I did go to Walmart and walk around the store. So I got some kind of movement in. I am an advocate of move, just move, just move, whatever you do. And then I come home and I do a little floor exercises, but nothing major yet. I'm going to tone up. I'm working on my next 30. I already got 30 off. So I'm working on my next 30. And 30 to 40, next 30 to 40. And I think I will be satisfied at that point because I'm not trying to be skinny. I like being a thick chick, but I want to be curvy I am curvy, but I want to be, I know what I want. Okay, so let me get my 310 straws and rinse this off. Okay, put the top on. Y'all, I hope this is good. All right, let's see. Let's see. Y'all getting it first. Okay. Wow. Yeah, this is 5-star right here. This right here tastes like a dreamsicle. My God. This is the bomb. This is the bomb. So it's a hit, y'all. But I'm only going to do it until this is gone because this has how many calories? Oh. But the carbs, oof. I can't do it. But once this is gone, that's it. Because it has for 1 cup, it has 26 total carbs. Ouch. No, can't do it. But until it's gone, once it's gone, it's not going to be a repeat. I would just use fresh squeezed, or I will just peel an orange and put it in there. But this is good. I don't like the sugar content, but oh my God, it's so good. Okay, y'all. All right, it's a hit. I will try it with chocolate and see if I like that, but just to let you know, it is a hit. When I go out today, I'm representing 310 strong. I'm representing, and I am hopefully going to recruit somebody. I'm going to tell them about 310 and see what we could do. I'm trying to get to Las Vegas, Nevada for March 10th. Oh God, I want to meet y'all so bad. Okay, but anyway, big hit. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.